Hey, Daniel!
I want to sit next to Chrissy.
But I was here first!
Miss Elena, move!
Stop pushing me! Stop, Daniel! I'm sitting here.
I'm so mad! If you don't move, I'm gonna...
Daniel, stop! Daniel, I see you're angry, but you can't hurt your friend. I stopped you this time, but you need to be able to stop yourself.
Stop, stop, stop. It's okay to feel angry. It's not okay to hurt someone.
Stop, stop, stop. It's okay to feel angry. It's not okay to hurt someone.
That's right. Now, let's talk about what happened.